It was brought to my attention actually by the mention of Deer River Athletic Director Brent Shemick. It was brought to my attention that they held a tournament there. It was like a section tournament. It was a big thing. Okay. And that there was, when they get done with something like that, they have kind of a survey where each team will go through, umpires, field conditions, how was everything. And this, so we're bringing in a lot of teams into our city, right? So we're talking about as far as economics go and so on, and we're getting people at the Portage Park, people into our city that are here from out of town that need a place to stay, need a place to eat, need a place to find beverages and gas and so on and so forth. The last review on it was not very favorable for us. And what used to happen, Jim Erzar and Mr. Streeter, I believe, from Grand Rapids, they took that mound and they personally put a lot of time into that. But it gets a ton of use from ICC to different there's a lot of use that gets put onto that mound. The last time that they were there, the athletic director just mentioned that it's just worn down. The pitchers are putting a lot of time into the home base piece, digging in and whatever else. We have holes in it. You can only pack that so many times. Yep. So looking at the dollar amount at first, and I even called him today and I spoke with him about this, and I asked, does that look like it's a fair dollar amount? Because they just put in a brand new mound in Deer River, and he said yes, it was 3 years ago. But also, we run the risk of not being able to host some of these events if our field isn't up to par for what, they're falling off the pitcher's trying to throw to first base. So it needs repair, and I think that it's a small price to pay for us to get it back in the long run. That's just my 2 cents.